His entry into Bollywood was as refreshing as fresh lime soda, absolutely bubbly and tangy. Well, Ranveer today is most popular for his multiple girlfriends. Some girls hate him for this, and yet there are some that simply love his playboy ways. He tops a list of Casanovas. Ranveer is such a flirt कि innocent-looking chocolate hero बन गए #1 बदमाश. He has openly admitted to dating multiple girls at a time. और अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को इजीली मैनिपुलेट करना रणवीर के लिए बन गया है हाथ का खेल. हॉट लड़कियों के नंबर्स वो अपने सेल फोन में सेव करते हैं एज बैटरी लो. और अब जब उनकी पोल खुली गई है, उनकी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड्स बन गई हैं उनकी फोर्स. एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड्स लगाए कितने भी इल्जाम, बट रणवीर कंटिन्यूज टू बी अ हॉट फेवरेट विद गर्ल्स द वर्ल्ड ओवर. सैफ भी इस मामले में पीछे नहीं है. फर्स्ट ही ब्रोक ऑल एज बैरियर्स टू गेट मैरिड टू द देन लव ऑफ हिज लाइफ, अमृता सिंह. उनके डिवोर्स के थोड़े टाइम बाद ही वी वर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू दिस लेडी इटालियानो रोजा, who he supposedly was madly in love with. Then defying another age hurdle, he associated himself with a much younger than him, Bebo. Due to Saif's image, Kareena had admitted of being jittery before entering into a relationship with Chote Nawab. But then she confessed कि वो अब बदल गए हैं. अपनी नवाबी हरकतों से बाज आकर he finally clung to Kareena and their relationship is set to be rock steady. अब इस जोड़ी का जोड़ कितना मजबूत है, that only time can tell. सैफ ने एक बार खुद कहा था, to woo a woman you have to be direct. Tell her how you feel without being dirty. Words of wisdom coming from a former Casanova. He might be known as the खिलाड़ी of Bollywood, लेकिन real life में भी वो एक जबरदस्त player रहे हैं. He used to play with the hearts of his fellow actresses. After Raveena Tandon, Shilpa Shetty, Pooja Batra, he shifted his interest to Twinkle Khanna and finally married her. लेकिन फिर से थे रूमर्स फ्लोटिंग कि there is trouble in their marriage because of Priyanka. इस कपल ने रूमर्स को रबिश कर दिया और पोज किया like nothing had ever gone wrong. But all is well now and hope he has finally gotten rid of his flirtatious nerve. He is someone who succeeded in his career but miserably failed in his relationships. लेकिन क्या वो फेल हुए हैं या he never wanted them to work out? Looks like this eligible bachelor even at 44 often gets restless with the same girl और उन्हें अच्छा लगता है अपने charm से beauties को woo करना. Modestly हम ये कहना चाहते हैं that he is one of the sweetest Casanovas of Bollywood. Recently सलमान ने confess किया कि वो हो गए हैं कटरीना से split. अब देखना ये है किसे करेंगे अपने करिश्मा से वो अपनी life में fit. We are looking forward to seeing the new ladybug in Salu's life. As soon as Shahid Kapoor stepped into this industry, उनके link-ups की story भी start हो गई. वैसे तो even before he ventured into Bollywood, he was dating Rishita Bhatt. उनके इश्क विश्क के किस्से शुरू हुए Bollywood में with Amrita Rao. But the fire doused before it could spread wildly. Childhood friend Kareena came in his life next. And the rest could have been history if they hadn't split after 3 years of being oh so serious. पता नहीं ब्रेकअप के बाद ये एक टफ फेज था या शाहिद की आदत. He left no stone unturned to prove himself as a Casanova. In no time, he got his name attached to Vidya Balan, Priyanka Chopra, and guess what? He is single again. Kate Ki Asher, Page 3, Zoom, Mumbai.